future software. Today is malware day, so I make a video about malware today, and I'm going to show you how to do your own malware analysis in a super easy and super safe way using this website called Any.Run. So stay tuned and let's learn how to use Any.Run. Welcome everyone. Today, welcome back to the video. We are going to be learning how to use Any.Run. So it is malware week, and instead of actual malware analysis, I thought you could do your own malware analysis in a super safe and super secure way with this website called Any.Run. So Any.Run is a malware analysis in your browser. None of the malware runs in your browser. It all runs on their server, and you just see the result in your browser. And it makes it really easy and really secure. So I want to show you how to create an account, sign up, use their platform, and do all of that, and get started with your own malware analysis. So, step one, just go to Any.Run. The address is really just Any.Run. It's that simple. And then you're going to see this page, malware analysis with live access to the heart of the internet. And then there'll be a lot of lists here. You can see there's WannaCry running and trusted by lots of companies, HP, Arivia, Malwarebytes, McAfee. Probably that's all McAfee uses. Their scores have not been good lately. And then they've got some rewards and a really nice platform. You get the whole point. Go ahead, just search up and hit try it now. Now, if you have an account, then you will go directly to this page. And if you have an account, you already know how to use it, so you can stop watching. If you don't have an account, you're going to see a sign up page. So, the thing with the sign up is they require you to have a business email for the direct sign up. But there is a way to get around that. Somewhere on that sign up screen, you should see a thing that says join our Discord server. Go ahead and just click that link, and it will take you to the Discord server. Join it, and then there should be a spot just looking like #welcome or #rules or whatever that sort of channel is. And you should see a spot to create a ticket for non-business users registration. Just create a ticket, tell them why, really anything's fine, just I want to do malware analysis on my own. And make sure to include your email so they can send you that private non-business mail registration link. And within a few days, they should let you know with the link in the Discord or with your email. Go ahead and click that. Then you can enter your regular email and your password, and then you should be taken to this thing again. This isn't what you want, the whole Yara search thing. That's not part of what we're going to be doing. So go ahead up here and just go to app.any.run. And, oh, hold on, I typed that wrong. Hold on, one second. App.any.run. There we go. All right, that's much better. And you'll be taken to this page. So you've got the list of countries, you've got a list of how much malware and samples they've submitted, and then you've got this list on the side with new tabs. So go ahead and first, this is the fun part, you need to find the malware you want. Now, you might not be an experienced malware finder, and that's okay. All you got to do is just go and create a new tab and search Enderman, like the Minecraft mob, malware. And then you should see this thing come up, GitHub, Enderman malware database. Just go ahead and select that and then copy the address up here and then save that for later. Now, go ahead and hit New Task, and then hit Type or Copy URL, and then paste in that URL. And then move on to the next step. I've got malware file on my PC. Don't download them unless you know what you're doing. Please just use a URL. And then you need to choose an operating system. Use is free as long as you use Windows 7. All the others are, not right. So you got to pay. If you want to pay, you can, but just hit use Windows 7, hit run public task. You may get a message that it'll be public. That means only the malware will be public, not your email or password or anything. And boom, 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 this will all come up, and this will load up, and you've got this virtual little computer. Now, first thing you want to do is just hit add time as much as you can until you can't click it anymore, because that'll give you the most time. Now that you've got this opened up, you should have your URL opening in a browser, and you'll see a bunch of folders of malware, names you may have heard of, like ransomware, Trojans. Just go ahead and click through until you find one you like. Click on it, and then hit the little download button, and open up the file. It should open up in WinRAR, this app here. You may have heard of it. And then you're going to have this little thing, and then this thing, Enderman PC Defender. Go ahead and double-click that. And then it may ask you for a password. Again, if you're from a different URL, then you might not need a password. But for this particular URL that I show you, the password is all lowercase. My subs are the best. Hit enter, and then you can see here, you can see all the processes that are going on here, the CPU and RAM usage, and you can interact with this in real time. None of this is on your computer. And then you can see here, go ahead and close WinRAR, and it created a new desktop icon, and we've got the tray icon, and it's running a fake malware scan. Yes, so this is actual malware, PC Defender. And you can see it's always finding threats that aren't real. And you don't really find threats in the fonts folder usually, just the tip. And you've got your tray icons. It's the whole interactive malware experience. And then, of course, you've got that buy full version button so that it can open up in Internet Explorer and have you pay them, the money. So we're going to go ahead and just close out of that and close out of that. And okay, yeah, sure. And, of course, the page can't be displayed. It's Internet Explorer. And oh yes, there we go, we got our danger. So once you're all done with your little looking or amusement, just go ahead and click stop, or you can wait till the timer runs out. And just click stop for real this time. There we go, finishing. And then it'll be all done. You can view your mouse. It takes a new screenshot every time something changes. Now lots of little ones there. And then it'll show you all the website requests, all the connections it made, all the DNS requests. These are just requests to an IP. And then all the processes with a breakdown of each one and how it was malicious. And then your final veto on what it was, malicious, suspicious, or not an attack. And you can see all the tasks you've ran here. They're all going to say the same, but you'll be able to see them all here. And then, yeah, this is how it works. You can upload any malware you want to here, file or URL. If you've got a file that you aren't sure about, you can always run it through here as well. But that's pretty much it. Before I end the video, I just want to make this clear. This is not a substitute for an antivirus. You can't run every single file you download through here. And you might be thinking, well, all the files I've got on my machine are safe. I can just run it here every time I download it. Well, let's say worst comes to worst, Microsoft gets hacked. They can start changing Windows files to malware. It's just always a good idea to have an antivirus. And they do so much more than protect you from malware these days. They've got ad blocking, cookie pop-up blocking, all kinds of cool stuff that you didn't get back in the old days. But this can be a nice extension, and if you want to see some of the funnier malware like memes or other funny stuff like that didn't have a malicious intent, this is an awesome place to go. So without further ado, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one.